Another game we can play with the bead bars to support place value hierarchy is the Infinity Street game. This is our homemade version of Infinity Street. You can see that we made yellow rectangles using construction paper to represent each number family. We have the simple family, the thousands family, the millions family, the billions family, the trillions family, and because I'm out of room to the left, I'm coming down here for the quadrillions family, then the quintillions family. We stopped with the quintillions family, but you could continue on in the hierarchy if you would like. Each family has a mailbox with their name on it, which represents the comma that we would put in a written number. Within each family, we have the units strip, the tens strip, and the hundreds strip in every family. Your child can place bead bars in each of the families and then read the number that they've created. We have 624 quintillion, 291 quadrillion, 564 trillion, 137 billion, 928,837,526.